Another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how you can get the Badoo Premium. This is an easy process to do. The first step is go to the application, and here in your application you need to go to the option of your profile. So like you see the Badoo Premium, like if you want to buy that version of the Badoo, you need to pay $2.99 $2.99. But if you want to get that Badoo free, you need to go here in the superior right corner in the option of our settings, and here you need to go to the account and pick here in the button, in the green button in the down part of the page, delete account. So after you pick here, you need to confirm you want to delete account, but before you confirm the delete of your account, Badoo will give it to you a test, a free test of Badoo Premium for a few months, and after that you need to pay. But if you want to get Badoo Premium free for a few months to test that version of the application, you pick and delete the account, and they will give it to you a few months for you test the Badoo Premium without pay. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.